Well, well, well. What do we have here? Everybody keeps asking about Rodney.
She's still doing great.
Rodney's still here. Just not in my possession, it is in his possession.
No.
Commonly happens. You guys know I like to build cars. I seldomly tend to drive them and keep them. But on this project, it was known that Justin wanted a street car. His intentions of this are quite a bit different than mine. I've been beating on him a bit about it. But it was built for winter. It's still got snow tires on it, dog.
Those are the poor man's slicks. Look how clean it all looks. I can't ruin that. I can't ruin it.
He puts a towel over the bay when it rains. Like,
well, yeah.
He won't drive it. Shit, this is my winter car. I'd be doing donuts and everything in the winter. Snow.
It's not that.
She's a snowbird.
It's
okay.
not that clapped.
Nah, she's perfect for it. Everybody tell them down below. That is what this thing's for, is to drive in the winter.
No.
That was what it was built for. That's why I gave you a turbo that doesn't spool till next Sunday, because then you can get around and do your snowing. But here she is. It is still in the family. It's still around. Justin has it. He's a procrastinator when it comes to having his own streetcar stuff, so he doesn't like to finish projects. I tend to finish them and then he gets them.
I swoop in.
But it's living its best life. He's put 2,000 miles on this thing. Like I said, he doesn't really drive it.
No.
But
Sunny days.
But there she is. Those of you that remember old Rodney, he definitely loved to be rodded on the dyno back in the day, and that's when we went to the crazy setup, full STI drivetrain. This ain't the last time it was on the dyno. Made 1,100 wheel horsepower. I don't remember the torque. It was 700 something, I think. That was on 50 some pounds of boost. He lives his life on the street around 40 to 42 pounds. In this weather, as cold as it is, maybe 45, 48.
He creeps like 47.
Yeah. So definitely been living his life, and we figured today, since everybody's been asking about it, that I would show you old Rodney. And I know we kind of didn't end it out back when we took our break from YouTube, and this is the last one we ended it off with, and it's around the same time. It's almost around the same temperature.
Yeah, it is.
that it was done in. So today we're gonna go out for a rip in this thing, since you guys never got to see this thing do a pull after the dyno, and I talked old sweet boy in over here. You gotta do flyby.
Yeah, I will.
We gotta do flyby. So
gotta see the toaster making moves.
I know, looking all pretty like. Just to give a quick rundown for those of you that are just checking in and haven't seen the prior videos of this thing. This was my prior 06 Forester full STI drivetrain swap. This thing was an automatic before. It is now on a STI 6-speed stock 2015 STI transmission, HCT twin disc, holding up like a champ. We have one of our stage 4 pretty underrated motors in it. I rate this engine for about 650, 700 horsepower to customers. It's living its best life over here at 1,000. Precision 7685 next gen. Definitely a big turbocharger for the street. I would really recommend that 7275 for the street to have a much better power band. This is definitely going to be lazy if you are looking into having a 1,000 horsepower street car. Probably not the turbo to go with. This is, if you can keep it lit, it definitely stays in its power, but driving around town, she's pretty lazy.
Gets good gas mileage with that.
Oh geez. that would be what he cares about. As you can tell, obviously an AMS intake manifold, straight fabrication, beautiful turbo kit, 3.5-inch intercooler piping, and I am constantly reminded every day
how bad it fucking sucks to work on
by you, how you can't even you know, put oil in your motor. Because I deleted the oil fill cap because I didn't like the way the intercooler pipes look going around them. So as you can tell, nice beautiful straight intercooler pipe, but no oil fill cap. So how do you fill this thing?
Through the AOS.
That's right. It's pretty easy, guys. You just pull off the hose for the return on the AOS there, fill it up. It's not bad, but definitely some big intercooler piping on the scene. 1,000 horsepower Garrett intercooler. It's a 5-inch thick. Again, straight fabrication made that. Set of ID 2600s. This has a Haltech Elite 2500 in it, and it has injector dynamic fuel pump and radium surge tank. Definitely all the fuel this thing could ever need. It is limited by the single set of 2600s. If we wanted to go further with this thing, we would have to add some more injectors on. It has the capability of making about 1,200 right now on the single set and safe limits, but that's more than enough.
Plenty. That's plenty.
He's almost killed me a couple times.
Oh,
so, yeah. Okay, pal.
You've done more
Yeah.
sketchy shit.
When we click it in, I was like, oh, I'll just turn it up a little bit more. He had it down at like 36 pounds for a while, and I'm like, I'll give it a little bit more. And I put it back 55. I can tell you what, this shit don't hook. Is that Demi? He's never gonna forget his nickname. Come here, bud. It's been a long time since we've seen you.
Are you gonna be hitting this today?
What's up, dude? Yeah, and you remember the last time we went out, right?
Yeah, it almost died.
Yeah, that was great. By the way,
That was this car, wasn't it?
it was, yeah. We were slowing down at like 140, drifting sideways.
Pretty tight left-hand turn.
It was a boys' night out.
It's like a 30-degree pitch into the corner and just fucking slither.
Oh yeah, that's great.
That was a while ago.
Yeah?
That was winter. Yeah,
That's
that
why
was,
I said it's like we're ending it off right where it was.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we had the time of our life. So we're about to go have a more time of our life.
Count me out.
Oh, Remy's a little scared from that time. Show you guys a quick inside of the interior, guys. This thing is as dialed as it gets, other than Justin's little snot rag there.
Oh, yeah.
Nah. Damn, you ruined those for us. Those are brand new, dog. Brand new. That's just salvage tile now.
I'll clean them. They'll buff right
You've been
out.
folding them over. What are you doing? You kicking the mat when you get in? Well, you got some clown feet?
Yeah.
I got the clown feet.
Yeah, you do got the clown feet.
Thanks. You look like the clown. It's got 2014 STI seats, and they are still functioning as heated. Thing's gonna be annoying and beep. Beautiful interior, brand new style STI steering wheel, and it does have functional cruise control on the steering wheel. Could have functioning radio functions if he'd ever get the module, but he didn't care. So here we are. Fire the scene up for you guys. Let Remy stick his fingers in there. Oh, here we are. Rodney, still living. Perfect winter car. It is. It's the perfect winter car. I can't believe he says no. This thing is dialed. Could you imagine Christmas tree fully lit on the roof doing donuts in the snow? That's what we gotta do. I don't know why you would not. Dog, she's from 2006. It's got 200,000 miles on the chassis. Why would you not? Everything's pretty much new underneath of it, but come on.
It is brand new.
Yeah, everything's pretty much brand new, but still, I would definitely tell him. Maybe I'll sweet talk him into getting some donuts out here. Let's go for a rip, though. Motherfucking street hit. You sure you don't want to go, Remy?
What?
You sure you don't want to go? Too bad, you ain't coming. Oh, it'd be cold out there. Today is real cold. It is like, what is it, like
25,
low
30,
20?
yeah.
Not ideal for this test rip here.
With wet roads.
Hey, don't miss a shift this time, guy.
Oh, thanks. I only do that on Hondas.
No.
Oh,
Do we insert the clip?
No,
remember the last time?
you don't need
yeah,
to. No.
I remember last time.
No, you don't need that.
Yeah, we'll get round 2 this year. You guys like stock?
Try something better.
We got that custom cluster, all tech. Did a calibration on there to be able to have the STI emblem and obviously all the necessary data you need. It's got subs too.
Yeah. Bumps and style.
Yeah. Real shout out is the suspension. Silvers.
Rides like a dream.
If you guys are looking for suspension, I will tell you, I am not a coilover fan, and I have been constantly reminded these things are the best on the market because this thing rides as good, if not better, than the factory Forester suspension. And then the Forester suspension rode good. Like, I'm definitely impressed every day. Anything I can do to put the silver coilovers on them, I do, because they are phenomenal, and they've definitely helped us out a lot on the channel. But I can tell you what, this road is not great, and this thing rides better than my 2024 truck. I will tell you what, this is about to be a ride. The last time we went out in this thing, it was a ride.
Same temperature.
It is cold. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but everything is frosted over today, so rest in peace. Definitely not ideal. We'll see how this goes. Oh, it's drying out. The road's looking better. That road is not. This one is somewhat better. God damn.
It's not the spot for it.
What's not? Holy shit.
You wanted a video. There's
It's trying to rip itself off the road. Ah, damn. Come on, Rodney. Showing them how it's done. You guys want to see Rowdy?
Yeah.
Ah, damn. Too fast, though. I told you, this turbo takes a little bit to get going. You got to get her spooled up in second, and once you get third, it's there. You know, if you really rev it out first and grab second, the load will get it lit, but it's definitely a lazier turbo. I told him time after time, 72, 75 on this thing. Ooh, that'd be a beast. Make the same power and have like 3,000 more RPMs power.
My trans would hate its life, though.
It would, yeah.
It'd be getting to gear set.
Well, you guys ready to hear drive-by? We gotta keep it somewhat tame after you saw what the fuck just happened. God damn, we getting taken out. Should have told Remy to come with on that one, because he would have never let us live it down. Then he wouldn't be yelling at me, he'd be yelling at you.
Oh, come
Last
on.
time,
Nah,
he
I
says,
wasn't.
I'm the scary driver. Bitch, this shit was in the air and you were still in it.
Well, I like to party, come on. You know that.
Yeah. Teach you wrong. We're out in the middle of Mexico now. Wish I could tell you the roads were a little better. It's flatter. Same temperature. Damn. By the way, those for wondering, that was 48 pounds.
Fast.
She was ripping. She's liking this cold air.
Yeah.
She's liking,
31 degree IATs.
yeah, 31 degree IATs over there. Yeah. All right, flyby time. We gotta find a good spot to ditch me. I say ditch me down there.
I'll ditch you right. That's
I'm making sure to stand on the side on this one. I ain't trying to get clapped. All right, I haven't done a flyby video for you guys since shit. It was probably McGee's car that made over 1,000 horsepower. Rodney looks so good. Now we play the waiting game. Damn, that thing's moving. Loud. Sounds so good. I haven't done a flyby in so long for how good these things sound coming from outside of them. Sounds so good.
how'd she look?
I was ripping. That's what it was doing.
All over the road.
Yeah, I saw as you're on the opposing side of the road.
Yeah, that's why I made sure nobody was coming. Mexico, we used the whole road.
How'd it feel? Oh, look good.
I had almost 200 less pounds in here.
Oh, thanks. Oh, I see how that is. Oh, look good. Hopefully that makes you guys happy to see Rodney and where he's at and what's going on. I've seen more comments than I could count asking about it after he went MIA after Rodney, but he's over here living his best life. He says boost all of it. Just to give you a better glimpse of the cluster, like I said, custom calibration on it, STI emblem, everything you need to see. There we are. Rodney. Those of you that wanted to see it, hopefully you enjoyed this. And to kick this off, guys, I know we do Vlogmas every year. This actually was our last year's Vlogmas build. We have a lot going on this month. We are going to attempt to do Vlogmas. Now with Vlogmas, I'm probably going to do an upload every 2 days this year, just to be able to keep up with what I got going on in the shop, but to still be able to get content out to you guys. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this month and what we have to come. A lot of exciting stuff. I've already been recording in the background to try to be as prepared as possible. But here we are, boys. Rodney, still living its best life. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Again, I will see you in the next video. He told me. Oh, damn.
Look for a second.
No? Everything was good. 1109 and 818. I'm happy with that. 55 pounds. Solid winter daily. Let me highlight it for you guys. Maybe if I go on here. There you go. Bam. Very, very happy of that. I'd go more for you guys, but I don't know if my throttle body is going to hang with me right now. I'd give another 3%. We got a crowd here. Look at, there's a stranger.
It's a fucking ghost.
What do you think there, guy? A little loud? I put the hard cut limiter on it now.
It's not terrible, but you're gonna need another grocery getter.
Dog, this is my winter daily. I don't know what you're talking about.
Winter's over now.
This shit makes 300 till 5K. We're good. Damn, look at that graph.
6,700. You almost took the fucking Subaru record again from VA without VA.
Hey, don't tempt me.
Just need a few more percent.
Oh, no, we can go up another 20 pounds. 3 more percent.
We're going
we
to
go
100 or bust.
1100 though. I'll take that.
Stage 4 putting in work.
Oh. Damn right.
Ridiculous. Absolutely.
It would have been 3 pulls done, but throttle body said, I'm done, bud. How's that one looking? It's together?
Yeah.
The zip tie is holding?
Yes,
Oh yeah, that's right. Ivan, thanks for the zip tie. That thing's holding like a champ. I will admit, I am thoroughly happy of that. ACT, I forgot to say, ACT twin disc. It's rated for age 75, so I mean technically we're under that. What'd it make?
818.
818.
We got it. We might be in 1200 here soon. You need another 5 more
I'm happy. I'm fine. For once, I'm going to back off because I'm going to take my win.
Forester, pal. Another 5 more pounds.
This shit on the street, we're going to die. Yeah. A GD of 1100 on the street. Fuck me.
Go.
This shit makes almost as much torque as Scotty's car.
Oh my god.
A little stage 4 putting in work.
Damn, there's Tony. Damn, there's another one.
Damn, Tony's here. Thing's running mint. I'll get his reaction for you guys. Let me turn this thing off.
Hey, living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living